follow the story. And that's what I love about global surgery. It's like this big whiteboard of innovation and discovery. One compass, create impact, whatever it looks like. That's the whiteboard. And then we move to this side. Virtual reality techniques and novel tools that we implement to train a surgeon in Belize to do urethral slings in the classroom, my hotel room. Months before he ever hits the ground running with our surgical team on the ground, watching them before he ever goes across the country delivering urethral slings himself, catapulting our training. Or this, a novel pelvic floor physical therapy program developed by our physical therapy arm, teaching people for 6 months virtually online before we ever step foot in the ground, teach them in person. Culminating in what you see here, graduating our first cohort of midwives on the right side who's now across Belize delivering pelvic floor therapy to rural areas so that we can prevent the need for surgeries in the first place. It's all around us, and when you do that, this is how the story ends.